Yes, sir. Sir, please. Yes, sir. Wait.
Mr. Tuliram is also proposing to make one Shri.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Good evening to you all. Kadam Namaste. Managing Trustee and members of Board of Trustees, Academician, other dignitaries, students, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends. It is a great pleasure for me to be here today in the midst of the country most elite in intellectual community. We have heard so much about the educational institutions. It is a great pleasure for me to be here and today in the midst of the country most elite intellectual community. We have here so much about the educational institute of Shri Ram Education Trust. I have here people are talking highly of Lady Shri Ram College and Shri Ram Commerce College, Delhi, during our student days, but there was no chance for me to study in Shri Ram College of Commerce. So I am studying in Guwahati Commerce College, Assam. It is great honor for me to be invited during this annual day of the Shri Ram Global School, Haryana, and to receive the prestigious Academician of the year 2023 award. I am sure there are many others deserving candidates, but I thanks to the Board of Trustees for having selected me to receive this honor. It is my wish and prayer that Shri Ram Global School will continue to shine by providing the best in class education service across the country. That it will produce and responsible young men and women who will influence the world every sphere of life and help make our country, our world a better place to live for the future generations. I wish a success every students, and I wish good health and peace and prosperity for everyone. Lastly, I would like to thank Chairman, Vice Chairman, Principal, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and my dear students for inviting me as chief guest to the function and giving this opportunity. Thank you to all.